My name is Michael Thomsen. I have been employed here at EUC Nordvest for 32 years. I am a trained shipbuilder and welding technician, which is one of my main areas. We train many young people to become good welders, and we have a course center called Welding Center, where we examine and issue certificates for many of the company's welders. The young people are very technical, and they are very interested in innovation today. Programming and robot welding is also a big part of what the young people like to work with, compared to the old days when it was a very monotonous work that you did. My name is Svend Erik Jensen. I am a teacher here and have been involved in training welders for many years. I have also worked a lot with robot welding and robot programming. An important part of blacksmith training is that you become skilled at welding. In Denmark, a climate plan has been adopted. This means that there is a huge amount of work to do with green transition and expanding green energy sources. As the future shows, there will be a need for 7,000 extra welders here in Denmark. We were at a technical school where we saw, among other things, these welding simulators. And I must admit that I was a little turned on by this. We could see great potential in having such machines purchased here with us. This tool is simply perfect for seeing what it means to weld two pieces of iron together. Soldamatic came into the picture, and we decided that this was the machine we wanted to use here. We have used the Soldamatic welding simulator to introduce the education and the requirements for the jobs to primary school students. The welding simulator has been used a lot. Here at the school, we have trained many people in robot welding, and this is done in practice by standing next to a real welding robot. In terms of resource consumption, there are many savings in using a robot with a welding simulator in the basic training in robot programming. When we set it up and introduced it to the students, they were happy. It was technology that they had never seen before. They saw the opportunity to try it out as a fantastic opportunity for them before they go out into the workshop and have to do it in reality. This is a way to see how things work. It looks a lot like the real thing when we look at these machines, both the sound and also the different processes. So they were really well received by the young people. We were one of the first schools in Denmark to get the Soldamatic welding simulator. At the same time, we have been part of a collaboration called the Knowledge Center for Automation and Robotics. As part of this, I have visited many schools in Denmark to present the welding simulator as an alternative to traditional welding education. Some of the companies are very keen on their apprentices being able to use the simulation machines. The welding simulators are safe for everyone to use. They have been used extensively for new people getting knowledge of the profession. We have also used them to practice with skilled professionals. We have also held an AMU course where trained welders had to try to improve their performance by using a welding simulator. They have been used at many different levels. We want to be involved in new technological initiatives that are beneficial for us and the companies in the area. We are very keen to be up to date on the things that we have to teach. Technologies like this means that we can save money in terms of material consumption.